Today we're here at Meyers Motors to have a look at what they call the GAC EMZOOM, another brand from East Asia, and we're about to find out, is this car worth it? GAC, or rather known as
Guangzhou Automobile Group,
is a Chinese state-owned automotive company that, in 2021, reported sales of 2.21 million units, and believe it or not, ranked in at 5th place. I mean, what? 2 million sales and it only came in at 5th? Now, how many more were the other companies selling? Crazy. Well, anyways, South Africa now gets a taste of this mammoth of a company with the sporty GS3 EMZOOM, one of two models currently in the country. But we'll get into its bigger brother, the MQ, in a different episode. If you notice, the Chinese are all doing one thing, and that is penetrating the market with sporty, futuristic designs, which makes you really want to upgrade. And with the biggest catch being the pricing, and the only counterbalance being brand loyalty. Now without that, majority of us, if not all of us, will be driving one of these. The EMZOOM comes in 3 variants: the Comfort, the Executive, and the R Style. Just by looking at them, we know which has the best appeal. So let's look at the mid-range Executive and compare the difference to the top spec R Style. This is in Moonlight Gray, but there's also Star Silver, Salt Lake Blue, and Ivory White. I think my favorite color is actually the Moonlight Gray. It gives this car so much of a dark elegance and matches well with the 18-inch alloys that it comes in. I can imagine how it looks at night. I mean, look at this face, which they've named the Flying Mecca, engineered to be powerful and iconic. Shadow diamond lights and fog lights at the lower bumper. The Exec has a piano black grille, and the R Style comes a bit more stylish with orange inserts, a front diffuser, real air vents, and all-around cladding. I mean, it's obvious which car I'm in love with. The EMZOOM is powered by a 1.5-liter TG engine paired to a 7-speed DCT with a maximum power output of 130 kilowatts and with an acclaimed fuel consumption of 6.2 liters per 100 kilometers. We have to note how manufacturers aren't nowadays pumping so-called sports cars with big engine. Clearly, Vision 2030 is quite a reality for a lot of them, and the aim is to be carbon emission free. But the question is, what impact will that have on sales? But that's maybe a topic we can look into in another episode. A feature I like is these pop-up electrical handles. It gives a seamless side profile. The interior is nice and is termed the smart cabin. I'm happy they don't have the continuous screen, which I've seen flood the market and has become some sort of base standard. Well, I do like it though, but it's nice to see something different once in a while. There's a start button to get things heated, and you get greeted by the 10.25-inch infotainment system and driver controls on the 7-inch LCD instrument cluster. You can cycle through different drive modes which change the feel, and if you get the R Style, features such as wireless phone charging, Type-C charging, surround view camera system, high beam assist, side curtain airbags, rain sensing wipers, panoramic sunroof, power folding mirrors, rear center armrest, ambient lighting, all come standard, and much more. However, in the mid spec, you do get cruise control, rear parking sensors, reverse camera, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, keyless entry, yada 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 yada. We'll attach the link to the brochure below so that you can also read for your own pleasure. But everything feels and looks really nice. And at the rear, it has a glowing dart LED taillight, which is made up of 66 LED bulbs for all condition illumination, and an F1 type light separating the diffuser. The base model comes with a manual tailgate. Opening up the boot, the EMZOOM has an average size boot space, and also a temporary spare tire. But in the R Style, the tailgate is powered, so you press, step away, load your groceries, press again, close. Nice. So how much is this car? The GS3 Comfort base model starts off at 469,900. Remember, base, so not a lot of features. The GS3 Executive at 499,900, mid-spec, so some features. The GS3 R-Style, top spec, at 549,900. This is where you want to put your money, and you get the best value. And don't forget, a panoramic sunroof. Haha! That's the catch. And at the end of the day, the choice is yours. So contact the nearest dealer for a test drive, or if you're in East London, contact the team at Meyers Motors below on the number, and even ask specifically for Jojo. Let him know we sent you. Anyways, that's it for today. Like, subscribe, comment, and look out for the drive review. See you soon again. Bye.